welcome to your lesson. Today we are starting Unit 5, Lesson 16, okay? The page is 111. So, we have a new content with a grammar point, okay? About some and any. Okay guys, the words some and any are the same thing, okay? They are synonyms. They mean the same thing, okay? But there is a difference in how we use it, okay? So, we use some in affirmative sentences, okay? And we use any in negative sentences and questions. Okay? Let's read here. We use some in affirmative sentences. For example, I have some pets in my house. What does it mean? I have more than one pet in my house. We watch some films on Fridays. How many films? I don't know. 2, 3, 4, we don't know. There are some students in the classroom. How many students? I have no idea. Okay? Maybe 3, maybe 10, I don't know. Okay? So, we use any in negative sentences and questions. For example, do you have any pets? Yes, I have some pets. No, I don't have any pets. Don't, negative. Okay? Have you got any pencils in your bag? Does she study any languages? Yes, she studies some languages. How many? I don't know, 2 or 3. Or, does she study any languages? No, she doesn't study any languages. Okay? Okay, let's repeat the words. A sport, a song, a text message. Okay guys, a sport, just like Portuguese, football, basketball, volleyball, baseball, sports. A song. Guys, in English, we have the word music, which is very similar to Portuguese, okay? But music is uncountable. We don't say a music. We only say music in general. Okay? So, music is uncountable, but the synonym is song. And this one is countable. A song. One song. Music. Okay? A text message is a message in a text. A written message. Okay? For example, SMS. Text message. What's up? Text message. Okay? Very good. Let's repeat, guys. Do you play any sports? Are there any songs you dislike? I've got some text messages on my mobile phone. I drink some drinks when I play football. There aren't any songs on the radio today. Let's practice. Don't forget to stop to pause the video, okay, before the answer. Are there any French songs that you listen to? Yes, there are some French songs I listen to. Does your your father write any emails? Yes, my father writes some emails. Are there any text messages on your mobile phone? Yes, there are some text messages on my mobile phone. Do you have any brothers and sisters? Yes, I have some brothers and sisters. Does your friend eat any Japanese food? Yes, my friend eats some Japanese food. Do you write long or short text messages? I write short text messages. Has she got any money in her bag? No, she hasn't got any money in her bag. Are there any sports you watch on Sundays? No, there aren't any sports that I watch on Sundays. Give me an example of a drink, please. An example of a drink is coffee. Are there any students in this school? Yes, there are some students in this school. Do you write text messages or letters to your mother? I write text messages to my mother. Are you drinking at the moment? No, I'm not drinking at the moment, but I'm studying at the moment. New content, guys. Something and anything. Guys, you know these words, okay? They have the same meaning. Something, just like this one, okay? Anything, okay? So, something is the same as anything. What's the difference is that we use something in affirmative sentences and we use anything in the negative and in questions. Okay? Let's read here in the book. We use something in affirmative sentences about things. For example, there is something on the table. Something is behind the door. There is something in my drink. A pen is something we write with. We use anything in negative sentences and questions. Examples. There isn't anything in my bag. Is there anything on the table? Do you put anything on your pizza? She doesn't like to eat anything at the moment. Guys, let's repeat the new content. Breakfast, dinner, a meal, lunch, a snack, for, to have. Okay, guys, so a meal is the time that you sit at the table to eat. Okay? So, breakfast is the morning meal. So normally people have for breakfast bread, milk, coffee, sometimes some fruit. Okay? This is the morning meal, breakfast. Okay. The afternoon meal that we have in the middle of the day at noon is called lunch. Okay? So lunch is the afternoon meal. And the evening meal is dinner. So the three principal meals of the day are breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, dinner in the evening. Okay? A snack is a meal, a small meal that we have between meals. For example, normally around 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we normally feel hungry. So we have a snack. A snack could be a biscuit, an apple, a banana, some yogurt. Okay, this is a snack. Very good. For is a preposition. And the verb to have, you already know this verb. Okay? But we use the verb to have to talk about meals. Why? Because during the meal, we eat and drink. Okay? So, if, let's suppose, for breakfast, you have bread and milk, we cannot say, I eat bread and milk. Because I don't eat milk, I drink milk. Okay? So, we use the verb to have. So, for breakfast, I have milk and bread. We don't use eat or drink in this case. Okay? Because we are talking about everything. Good? Grammar point, guys. In English, we can use the verb to have instead of the verbs to eat and to drink. Example, I eat pizza for my dinner. I have pizza for my dinner. My father drinks coffee for breakfast. My father has coffee for breakfast. Clear? Very nice. Guys, let's repeat. I eat something for my breakfast. She doesn't eat anything for her lunch. I don't want anything for my birthday. Do you know anything about the city Berlin? Let's practice. Don't forget to pause, stop the video, okay? Do you eat anything for your dinner? Yes, I eat something for my dinner. Does your teacher say something in Italian during the lesson? No, my teacher doesn't say anything in Italian during the lesson. Does your aunt like to eat bread for her breakfast? Yes, my aunt likes to eat bread for her breakfast. Can you say anything in Spanish? Yes, I can say something in Spanish. What are the 3 meals during the day? The 3 meals during the day are breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sorry. How many meals do you eat a day? I eat 4 meals a day. Does your brother eat anything for lunch? Yes, my brother eats something for lunch. Does Mr. Webb eat dinner in the morning? No, Mr. Webb doesn't eat dinner in the morning, but he eats dinner in the evening. Does your cousin eat breakfast in the afternoon? No, My cousin doesn't eat breakfast in the afternoon, but my cousin eats breakfast in the morning. Can your teacher speak anything in French? No, my teacher can't speak anything in French, but she can speak something in English. When do you eat pizza? I eat pizza for my dinner. Okay, guys, this was today's new content. Okay, so I'll see you next lesson. See you. Bye-bye.